What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can delete unused theme from your WordPress dashboard. As you can see on the screen of this video right here, okay, you can see I have a lot of unused theme right here, and which is sometimes cause your WordPress website to load very faster. So in this regard, you can as well delete everything you are not any theme that you are not being used on your WordPress, so that will be your site will move very much faster. Okay, but before I get tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Cpanel. Okay, as you can see on the screen right here. So I have logged into my Cpanel. So when you log into your Cpanel, you need to scroll down and then navigate to File Manager. All right, so it opened up this way. So the next thing you have to do is to navigate to public HTML. So it's going to pop up this place. Here you need to select WP contents. All right, so at this point here, you need to select themes. Here, these are the all themes I have currently on my WordPress dashboard. As you can see here, we have about 6 themes right here. Okay, so if I go back to my WordPress dashboard here, I see. So if I go back to my WordPress dashboard, you can see I have 16 active on my install on my WordPress, which means only this one is active. Okay, so now I'm going to start from 2019, which is the default WordPress installation. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. So I have to go back to my file manager here. So you can see this one here, 2019. Then you have to select it and click on delete. Then at this point here, you need to make sure you check on this and make sure you check on this box and then come here and click on confirm. So if you go back to your WordPress dashboard, so if I refresh now, boom. So you can see, so this is how you delete every unused theme without any stress from your WordPress dashboard. I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.